welcome to my last room tour ever. Come here, let's start over here. First things first, we're gonna start by taking a nice look at the view. It's beautiful, isn't it? Sorry, I got lost in the moment. But yeah, this is gonna be a very, what's the word when it's, what's the word? Like it's full circle, but like there's an actual word for it.
I don't know, I just say for full circle.
Yeah, this will be a full circle moment. This is the same style that I did for my first ever room tour that I posted on YouTube.
2019-ish?
Yeah, it was around COVID. Red? Don't remember.
Kind of chopped if you ask me.
Excuse me? Huh? What? Huh? I think you're talking about me. But yeah, if you guys saw my rearrange my room video, then you can see that this is the style of my room right now. So let's start over here. So over here we have my garbage can. I kidnapped him from his two gay dads, you know, that told me to name him that. So then we have this plant over here. This plant has been here for too fucking long. Same thing with this one. I put these here just to give him like a nature feel look, you know, cause you know, yeah. These are my pens, but I have been having these here cause when I get my college book bag, that's where those are the pens I want to put on there. So I have them here. I'm not gonna give you a full tour of these drawers because they're unorganized. It's been it's been a stressful week, but this is like my junk drawer right now. This is my trinkets drawer that doesn't open with an old iPad in there too. I got this from, he saw me and Morgan pulling earlier, so he knows guys, he knows we're here. Yes, no, he's like right there. He's knocking again. Oh shit, does he see it? Go home. Yes, he won't go home.
Why does something always happen in these videos, bro? Because the first ever house tour we did, when we first moved in here, there was a roach in this.
No, he could be in here. Hi. Nico, you can.
Oh, I feel so bad. Now I feel like I should just go chase him down. Like, so what were you trying to tell me?
Wait, where
nah.
did you go?
Okay, well, that was intermission.
Let's leave all of this footage in, honestly. Anyways, back to the room tour.
Okay, so let's finish this room tour. Okay, so we're back from the intermission, and I do have a guest with me, so he will help us with the rest of the tour. This is Dioji. He turns 14 June 15th, so, you know, keep that in mind. Okay, so let me actually turn my ringer off. Good, blowing up my damn phone. Okay, so now we're gonna make our way over here. We have a nice succulent plant here. I have another plant here that I've been trying to grow for a long time, and it finally started growing roots, and it's from that plant. So you can like cut leaves off, put them in water, and then they'll make their own plant thing. Yeah.
I don't know that.
Rose quartz. I just don't have a pearl. Okay, oh, this is a duck. I got this from Japan. I wish I could do a what I got from Japan haul, but a lot of it was food, and obviously it's in my stomach. Here's my fridge. So it's a little empty right now. All I have is
God, there's no food in here for once?
Yeah, all I have is a face mask and my ice roller. I had a lot of water and a lot of Olipops in there, but those are gone. We'll make our way to our, oh wait, stickers here. A lot of Hunger Games shit. I'm actually taking this with me when I move too. What am I gonna do with it? Who knows, but I'm gonna take it with me. Maybe I'll put it in my closet.
Your closet?
Yeah. These are some thank you cards that I never filled out that I probably should do for my teachers. Then we have some of my pillows here on this wide ass couch that I got. We got the goat from Minecraft. We got Cookie Cat from Steven Universe. What's the song? Cookie Cat, he's super duper yummy. But in the camera, this is a note. This is also from the musical. We did Secret Star, and so this was my gift. Okay, and then here, I got this from my promposal, and so then I just used it. I keep all my like go-to stuff. Well, I just added this in here. But this is Winter's allergy pills. This is a candle, my Aquaphor, my wired headphones, my wallet, and my perfume that I've been using. These are my vitamins that are empty right now because I didn't take them this morning. And then if we come over here, this is my sign. The sign right here says Go Nyla. It's from when I ran the hidden gym. It's just a
half marathon.
There's just a bunch of stuff on here. We got stickers, pins, a bunch of business cards. That's my mother. Yeah. Then we got my Nintendo Switch over here, which all the controllers work now because I shipped them off to Nintendo and say, bitch, you need to fix this shit. Oh. And they did. Then we got drawers. All we got here is drawers, bras, socks, belts and hats, shorts and borts. Oh. Then if we make our way over here, we have the plant like that goes from, like it stops here and then it goes all the way down over there. I'm eventually gonna have to trim this because it just goes all over the place. Then we have the coins that I'm saving up for my next Japan trip. This is about maybe $100.
Okay.
Because when it's filled up all the way to the top, it's like $150. I have this, which I actually need to make an art piece out of it. This is, I used to collect like the tops and tabs of pop cans. Oh, well, this is also from my Monster era too.
Well, we'll get to that part later.
Yeah. But yeah, this is like all the stuff that I collected from, I stopped like midway through my junior year, so from freshman to half junior
I feel
year.
like it's been a little longer than that.
What, that I stopped collecting them? So maybe the end of my sophomore year?
Maybe.
Yeah. So I gotta buy a big canvas for that. This is like my cords. I just have a bunch of wires and shit in there. Same thing, actually my PlayStation 2's in there. So then we're getting over here. We have my record player. It's a record player, CD player, and a cassette player at the same time. Then we have here my CDs. Then we have books. You can ask me how many of these books I've read. And I would tell you about 5. Oh, hold on, let me bring my baby over here. Sorry, Pumpkin. I didn't forget about you. Okay. I would say about 5 of these I read. Just about 5. And then if we come over here, oh wait, my posters, duh. You already know who this is. I don't need to say who it is, but this is my wife, and this is also my wife. Both of them are my wives. Back here is another little African sign with some necklaces that I don't wear. Yeah, just my shoes. I need to get more. I need to go through these hats because I don't need all these hats. Dog hair. God, can't escape. Then we have my mirror here. I got a bunch of stuff around here. This is yen, so this is about, this is 5,000 yen. Does he look the same? Would you look?
Not at all.
Yes, I do. This is you.
Well, his face got lighter, like around his head.
This is you. Do you recognize this man? Okay. Then these are my 2 go-to bags as well. Okay. This is Gus's flags from that one episode.
Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I ate that.
Yeah.
These are my big
Really?
chunky shoes. Yes. These are my big chunky shoes. I love these. These 2 are not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be in the basement. I just never took it back. Spider-Man. I actually got that cup from Imagine Theaters when I went to go see Spider Across the Beyond the Verse.
I don't know what movie
Spider Across whatever. Then we have Doug from
Up.
Up. Then we have my favorite Lego set. Actually, the only one that's still up, minus these 2. This is a camera. More Spider-Man. More Sonic. Well, this is Shadow, which I know about Shadow. And this is more Spider-Man. So this is really just my fixations in one, minus the Pokemon. Then over here we have FNAF. Loki. Never watched this a day in my life. I just thought the poster was cool. Like, I don't know where this is from. Like, I thought it was a game, but it's actually a show. It looks cool, though.
It does look cool.
Yeah. Sally Face, one of my favorite games ever. We can come on over here. The Artist Lifestyle, because, y'all, I'm an artist. You got my toes.
That's why I told you to put shoes on. Or at least some socks.
The Artist Lifestyle. Then we have my Billie Eilish figure that I got. I got that from the virtual concert. That was my first ever Billie Eilish concert, the virtual concert during COVID.
That was a lot of people's, I think, though.
I know. And then this is, because it was the most affordable. It was $80. Like, what? This is a bunch of stuff. This is from Jamaica. This is from, girl don't know. This is from Japan. This is from my great grannies. This is Ashley from Sally Face, the game I was just talking about. Oh. From Minecraft. Well, McDonald's. This is from Japan, and this is also from Japan. Then we come to my Pokemon corner, obviously. This is a puzzle, actually, inside of here.
Oh, period.
Y'all already saw this in the last video. This is my 4 main Funko Pops. This is my COVID rotation. I was watching BoJack.
So random.
I was...
Fake fan.
BoJack. My bad. I was watching BoJack. I was low-key obsessed with Hamilton. I was watching She-Ra and the Prince of Power, and Wynonna Earp was my shit. Ignore this. This is my prom setup, so can't see that. Yeah. This is the Owl House corner. This was a keychain that broke. This is loose. We got King, Ida. Everybody is just obsessed with Amity, so I can't get a hold of her Funko Pop for some reason. Anyway, if we come over here, we got more Pokemon.
I thought we were starting.
Oh yeah. So up there, it's actually a custom Funko Pop. Then we got that's some from Frozen. There's someone back there, but I don't know who it is. This is a sock puppet that Flan made out of her sock. Then we have my trophy from theater. There's nothing up here, right?
No.
Okay. This is just records. I did my record collection video, so y'all go ahead and watch that. Made this in 6th grade. So that's kind. Paw made this. Got it from Japan. Amber gave this to me. This is the Owl House. This is all my lanyards and stuff. This is my 2021, my 8th grade graduation thingy. I made this myself, but I got it from my great grannies. This is blanked out, but this is me, Jemiah, Corinne, and then this is Big Head 1, Big Head 2, Big Head 3, and me.
I think you mean Big Head 4.
No. I don't think I'm in that count.
No, I mean, you're in the picture, aren't you?
What are you talking about? No, I'm not.
No.
What? Anyway, this is art by one of my favorite artists, which I'm sad because the only way I can find them is whenever I go to Anime Magic, like the convention, and I can't go this year. By the way, if y'all watch the rearrange video, even though it looks like that, not a lot of y'all did. If there's 514 of y'all, where's the 514 of y'all on that? I'm looking at you too, because I know you ain't watched it either.
I did watch the video.
You did?
Yes.
You did? No, you didn't? I just don't know this girl's name.
Emily, iconic.
And then I got this from like a, where did I get this from? It was some artist in downtown Homewood at like a flea market or something. Then this is the air. I'm actually gonna leave this here because this will be like a museum.
You should.
But before I took my heart serious, I used to drink Monster every day. Like this is before I had a car. This is when like I was biking. Like I was in the best shape of my life because I just went everywhere. And I would buy Monster every day because I wanted the different cans. Like I'm trying to think. Trying to think of like one specifically where I got it from. I think I got like this one from Quick Bark, and then all the other ones from like CVS or something. That's me. These are some vinyls that I got from my pawpaw, and this is my
diffuser.
Yeah, that's that. This is my nail stuff for prom. This is my SD card reader. This is Jigglypuff. This is Buddy. Look at him.
Hey,
so wear and tear.
Still holding on.
Still holding on after he was viciously attacked. How did you get in here?
He's been in here.
Are you serious?
Yes. He was in here. We were like going over stuff over there.
I haven't even finished yet, but this is my senior book. Where did I stop at? I think I stopped at after the Billie Eilish concert. So I'm a little behind. But it's because
it's May.
I know that's because I have to print them out. But isn't this picture so cute?
No, that's cute.
It's me in winter. But I gotta clean it and I gotta have people. I have to have people sign it. This is a junk drawer. I got some suckers. I got some Funko Pops. I got this T-shirt that I got for winter. It's a crop
really
T-shirt.
good.
Yeah. Those are my top 3.
Oh, shit, we didn't look at that.
Yeah, those are my top 3. Kendrick, Frank, and Billy. Billy's so fine. This is also, I'm gonna put these up when I leave too. Oh, my closet. We didn't do the closet. All right, if we go ahead and step on up in here, you'll see that we're gonna speed run this up in here because
it's a little cramped in here.
just a little cramped. We got T-shirts, hoodies, and pants over there. Over here is the wall that has been started but never finished. The only person that finished was Flan. And this, do you know what this is?
Punisher, Phoebe Bridgers.
Oh, okay. Well, that was really good. See, Morgan never even started her little corner. I made your little corner up there.
You never told me I had a space.
I did. I have me.
No.
On my soul, I did.
You never told me I could paint in here.
This was Fall Guys. That's when Fall Guys was really popular.
This feels very COVID. Like,
Oh yeah, because the
the cow.
this is the same artist I was talking about. Oh shit, that was a lot of money. That was almost $1,000. Oh, ow, that landed on my foot. Ow. Oh my God. This is just so fucking hard. Like, feel that. Look at that. You feel that? Fuck.
Ew.
Okay, on this table, I just got this recently. This is a bunch of Japanese poems. A Billie Eilish photo book. This cat tray that Flan made for me. These are art books. Come on now, this is perfect timing. The Last of Us Part 2. Super cool. Then we have my Pokemon books here, which are organized by color as you take a quick little glance. Boom, boom, boom. What? Come on now, do better than me. Then we have the art book about how they made BoJack Horseman. There's a lot of art books that I want that I just don't feel like paying for because they're expensive.
We're not doing a bathroom tour, are we?
Oh, you know what? I am because I never showed my bathroom after I redid it. Okay, so it's just a slight bit dirty in here because I just did my routine and also I need to get my vent fixed. So he's fixing that today. But yeah, this bathroom's not cleaned, but we have, I wanted a green aesthetic. I always wanted a green bathroom. I did this myself actually. Like I painted, I put these on here, I sanded them myself, I put these on. It was a very DIY project. But yeah, we have a gold aesthetic. This outlet just it works, but it doesn't work for this. Like I've had the same thing in here for like 2 months. Then we have pictures that I took myself that I framed, yada yada, Buddha Buddha. Then we got toothbrushes and stuff. This stuff right here, this combo, wicked. Okay, this gets rid of pimples fast. Then we got lotion, all that stuff, my skincare here. Then we got plants, fake plants with my speaker. Over here, y'all seen this 5 million times, but this is my perfume array. I'm low-key a little bit behind. I need more perfume. It's not enough here for me.
Well, I think it is.
No, I need more. I actually haven't even
None of them
touched
even
this
look
one.
like they're running out.
This one's running out. This one's running out.
No, it's running. It's not.
This one's running out.
That's not.
When you're done shitting, you need to wipe your butt with baby wipes. Don't walk around with shitty booty asses. That's why y'all got skid marks in your drawers, okay? This is mostly for men. Women, they tend to make sure they wipe where they need to wipe. But men, it is not gay to wipe your ass, okay? Let's just say that right now. You know, I'm sorry to the family that's watching this video, but men, it is not gay to wipe your ass, okay? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, you can always like, subscribe, and leave a comment. As I said before, oh, he's asleep. I thought he jumped out. As I said before, this is the last room tour video that I'll be doing until I move. But yeah, I just had to, you know, do a quick pumping out for this video because all the videos that I were filming previously ain't gonna come out right away because it's like a prom thing. So I'm doing my prom prep. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Morgan, you can say bye or you can plug whatever you want to plug.
Okay.
I didn't even hear you.
Don't you got a business or something? Come on. Oh yeah, follow me at treetrain_, all lowercase, 2 T's in the middle.
And
I need
ready to come with that checkbook.
Exactly. Go order for me, please.